Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I wanted to do a quick video here about cruisers versus sport bikes. And I'm going to tell you, I used to own a sport bike back in the days. I had a JH6 750. It was awesome. It was a really good bike. I had a great time back in those days. But now, obviously, I ride a Road King. And there's a reason why I did that. So now, if you're new to the channel, if you first time you see me, definitely consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you could be notified when I post videos. But I'm going to tell you, a lot of new riders have this question, should I get a cruiser? Should I get a sport bike? And to me, it comes down to like, what do you want to do? What is your riding style? If you want to go fast, if you want to lean into turns, if you want to do some of that crazy stuff that people do in sport bikes, obviously this is not a platform for you. This is not, by no means, because this thing right here is slow, it's heavy, it's fat, it's comfortable. Once I put my apes and my new saddle, it's going to be very comfortable. Right now, it's not as comfortable as I want to, but it's a comfortable platform to take turns, to drive, to do all those things. I mean, it is not a difficult platform by no means. So what are you looking for? Are you looking to go fast? Are you looking to do crazy stuff, or are you looking to cruise? I mean, it's a cruiser. So a lot of guys get wrapped up around this, and I think right now we're living in a generation where the cruisers got to be really fast, and even Harley and things like that, they're concentrating on performance, and that's great. By no means I'm saying that performance is a bad thing to do. That's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is simple. One of the reasons why I got this bike, it wasn't to go fast, it wasn't to do some crazy stuff. It was primarily because of the comfort that it provides, right? So let me park here because I want to show you a couple things before I continue. But like I said, cruisers have a huge advantage over sport bikes, and one of the huge advantages that they have is simply the fact that are very comfortable to ride, which means that you could put a lot of miles on these bikes, right? You could literally put a ton of miles. Not only that, if you have a passenger, you can still put a ton of miles with a passenger in the back. That's not something that you're going to do, or that's something that you're going to get with a sport bike. You're definitely not going to get that. It's going to be very difficult for you to be able to do something like that in a sport bike, and specifically with a person in the back. A rider is usually not that comfortable in those type of bikes. All right, this Popeye here just got built and it's going crazy. People are literally going crazy over this place. I mean, people are visiting. It's just like I said, they're going crazy over this. I guess every time we got a new restaurant, you guys know how it is. But all right, let me park here real quick. I want to make a cool point right now. Like I said, cruisers are really, really comfortable. And one of the things that you're going to see here is a windshield. So again, the windshield is going to provide some wind protection, obviously. And again, it's just going to make it a more comfortable ride. You don't have to be getting hit in the chest with air. You don't have to be doing none of those things. Also, look when you sit down, and specifically in this bike, you're going to have primarily very straight kind of stand, which again is going to pull you in a position where you don't have to be leaning forward. Again, it's not going to be as painful, so it's going to be very, very easy for you to ride. Look at the backs. So I got backs right here, and once again, those backs are going to allow you to put clothes. It's going to allow you to put all kind of different things. I put my lunch in there. I put everything when I go to work in there. My jackets, all kind of different stuff. You could put tools. Literally, you could put whatever you want. That's another advantage that you're going to have in a cruiser, compared to guys that are literally putting a backpack on their back and driving around with backpacks and things like that. You see a lot of guys traveling, and as they travel, they're always carrying a backpack with their clothes and whatever things that they need. So I'm going to tell you, I had used both. I had used cruisers and I had used sport bikes, and it just comes down to a different riding style. What do you want to do? Do you want to go fast? Go fast. But if you want to cruise, you want to go to places, you want to be comfortable, you want to be able to have, I don't know, your lunch in your backpack or your lunch in your bags as you go to work like I do, then a cruiser is just a really good choice because once again, it gives you that ability, it gives you that comfort. My face is actually sweating because I actually closed all the vents to the helmet so to control the air, and it makes it so painful. You know, it makes it really sweaty inside your helmet. One last thing I'm going to say when it comes down to the comfort is that you can put a trunk. That's going to allow you to put your helmet in there, put a lot of stuff in there. And obviously a lot of cruisers come with different accessories to include communication, also come with things such as cruise control and things like that. I gotta tell you guys, it's just a different riding style. Like I said, cruisers, a lot of people say it's for all men. It may be for all men. I guess I'm an old man but I mean, I love the comfort of the cruiser. I love that it let me put a lot of miles and my back is not hurting as much as it would have hurt in a sport bike. So again, let me know what you think. You guys put comments down below, and as always, God is in control.